Hi, in this tutorial I'll walk you through everything you need to know. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe.
Mastering Gmail turns your inbox from a noisy to-do list into a focused command center, helping you triage faster, automate routine work, and reclaim hours every week. Let me share with you the most important features that can help you use Gmail effectively. We'll start by setting up high-signal inbox with priority and multiple inboxes. Here you see very crowded mailbox. Let me show you how to make your inbox show only what matters. And we'll use two important concepts available in Gmail: priority inbox and multiple inboxes. Priority inbox puts urgent emails up on the top, so you stop doom scrolling. And multiple inboxes give you a mini dashboard for action, waiting, and references. 2 minutes of setup, hours saved every week. Let me first share with you how to switch inbox type and create custom panes. To do this, navigate to Settings, see All Settings, and then Inbox. As you can see, I have default inbox type, but I am going to select Priority Inbox. As you can see, now I have 3 inbox sections: Important and Unread, Start, and Everything Else. You can configure each section by clicking Options and select the settings based on your preferences. I am going to click Save Changes, and you will see an immediate effect. Now my inbox is organized into 3 sections: Important and Unread, Start, and Everything Else.